viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is Ranjiraj and you're streaming on the Study Beast. So in my previous video, I discussed regarding the click percolation method, that is a CPM algorithm. Now in this video, I'll be discussing regarding the solve problem for the same. Now there is a graph below. That is a social graph, like for Facebook and LinkedIn, you can link it with this. So there are 7 different vertices or edges equal are there for this. That is 7 nodes and 7 vertices are there. Now it is said that for the graph below you have to use the click percolation method, that is CPM, and find all the communities associated with this one. Now going with the CPM general algorithm discussed in the previous video, I'll first extract all the clicks present in this particular graph. So stay tuned. So see how I'm going to extract all the individual clicks. So first you can see this one. So this is one click of 3 size. This one is also another click of 3 size. So this is second click. This one is a click, that is the 2, 6 and 4 is another click of 3 size. This click is a size of 4, of 3 size of the 4. This one, that is the 265, is the fifth click, and this one, that is the 254, is the sixth click. So in total we can say that we have identified 6 different clicks of size 3, that is 3 clicks, that is we have identified 3 clicks for this. Now you have to group it into different categories. So for that I am maintaining alphabet A, and in this I am grouping, that is this is one, like 7 different vertices are there, so I am assigning this 1, 2, 3. So this is one, this represents one click, so this is the upper portion is one click. B will be 1, 2, 8. Likewise C will be 2, 4, 6. Then it will be 2, 2, 4, 6. Then it will be 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 5. Then 4, 6, 5. 4, 6, 5. And 2, 6, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 clicks of 3 different sizes are there. Now we have identified this one. Now you have to group this into different categories. Now you have to construct the new graph, that is the click graph, according to this CPM algorithm. Now we'll construct that. Now as you can see in this these two sets, that is the A and B, 1 and 1 and 2 and 2 are common in between them. So we'll be combining those two, and in the rest we can combine 2, 2, and in all of this we have these many, uh, like all the vertices are there. Now what I will do is I will define one community. Now in this community I have 1, 2, 3 and 8, that is the 4 vertices are there, and in this I have 2, 4, 5 and 6. So these are my 2 communities which are ready. Now I'm going to create a new graph. Now for this one, that is, since here 1, 2, 1, 2 are common, I'll denote this one, that is the A to B, as an edge. Since it is an edge common between these two upper and lower triangles, this is an edge. Next one is C, D, E and F. This is one cycle. So this is another graph. So this is, these two represents CG, not CG, GC, that is the click graph. Now our job is done. Now we have to identify the number of adjacent, if there is an adjacent click is there. So how we identify that? Since these two clicks have, now the formula is k minus 1, that is very simple. Now this click is 1, 2, 3, it is a 3 click. So it is 3 minus 1, that is 2. So two edges are there. That two edges are 1 and 2. Similarly for these, that is the lower part, 1 to 8, these two. Similarly for 2, 6, 4, these two. 5, 6, 4, these two. 2, 6, 5, these two, and 2, 4, 5, these two. So this remains global throughout the problem. And finally, we move on to the conclusion step, that is we define the final set. So our objective was to find the communities. So the community C is identified as the set C1, C2. So this was the simple problem based on the clique population method. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.